In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase resolution in Adobe Express. If you've ever exported a design and noticed it looked a bit soft or pixelated, this quick workflow will help you get a sharper, more professional result. We'll keep it simple and focused, and I'll add a few tips along the way so you understand why each choice matters and how to get the best possible output for your needs. First, open your design in Adobe Express. Make sure your project is fully ready to export. Any text is spelled correctly, images are in place, and everything looks the way you want. It's helpful to know that export resolution can only enhance what's already there. If your design uses small, low-quality images, increasing the export quality won't magically add detail. Vector elements, like shapes and text, will scale cleanly, but photos should start out high quality for the best results. Next, look to the top right of the Adobe Express interface and click Download. This is your export control center. When you open it, you'll see the options that determine how your design is saved to your device. This is the place where the final quality is set, so it's worth taking a moment to make the right choices for your use case, whether that's social media, a website, or printing. In the download settings, choose High or Maximum Quality. High is a great default for most online sharing because it delivers crisp detail with a reasonable file size. Maximum Quality pushes things even further, preserving as much detail as possible, which is ideal for larger displays, high-resolution presentations, or printing. Keep your preferred format as needed. PNG is great for graphics with transparency, JPEG works well for photos, and PDF can be useful for print. The key is that quality setting. Just remember, higher quality typically means a larger file, so balance clarity with file size if you're sending or uploading the design. Finally, click Download to save your design at the higher resolution. Your file will export and save to your default downloads location. After it's saved, it can be helpful to preview it at full size and zoom in a bit to confirm edges look clean and text is readable. If you're preparing something for print, consider doing a small test print to see how it holds up on paper. If you're posting online, a quick upload preview can reassure you that it looks sharp across devices. And that's it. By choosing high or maximum quality in the download settings, you can confidently export your Adobe Express designs at a sharper, more professional resolution.